Hi, this is Ivy from Nanjing Marketing Group. Today I would like to introduce an online gadget called Picture Text Recognition. You can use this online tool to convert the content on the picture into text format, and you can find it in the WeChat mini program. There is also a web version. I will show it later. Firstly, upload your target image. Before converting the format, you can drag the edge to crop the picture. You can also rotate the picture as needed. Then you can click the check mark to start your conversion. And here you can get the content in text format. Copy and paste them where you want. You can also choose the type of recognition object on the home page. Now let me show you the web version. Firstly, you need to scan the QR code to log in with WeChat. After successful login, upload the pictures from your computer. You can upload multiple pictures at the same time, but no more than 100. Same as the mobile version. Here you can get the text. Copy and paste them where you want. You can also choose the type of recognition object here. Thanks for watching.